I'm going to guide you on how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the only way that you can find deleted friend on Snapchat, if you scroll down a little bit, come to your profile page, then you will come to this part of friends. So if you go to my friends, and in case you had deleted your friend accidentally and you could not see him in your friends list, so you will just go back, then go on add friends, tap on it, then you can go to search and search for the name of that friend. If you are able to remember his name or her name, you just go and type the name of the friend there, and you'll be able to see. Then you will check on the list which has pop up here, and check if you'll be able to see his profile and his username. Once you have identified the friend, just tap on add friend. Then by doing so, you'll be able to return your friend which you had deleted from Snapchat. So I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice time.